Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study high school abroad. Start by researching countries, programs, and visa requirements that match your goals and timeline. Next, list program types like exchange, boarding, or full enrollment and compare costs and duration. Check language rules and plan for tests like IELTS or TOEFL. Finally, consult alumni and counselors to narrow choices and set realistic application deadlines and budgets. Begin your applications by organizing transcripts, recommendations, and a clear personal statement for each school. Tailor each essay to highlight why that program fits your goals and culture. Schedule any necessary interviews or auditions and rehearse answers about academics and adaptability. Submit materials early to improve scholarship odds and housing selections. Track deadlines in a spreadsheet and follow up politely with admissions offices to confirm receipt and next steps. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth as a light, practical read that shifts how you think about saving and investing while planning study budgets abroad. It pairs well with financial planning for tuition and living costs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Secure a valid passport and apply for the correct student visa as soon as acceptance is confirmed. Create a realistic budget covering tuition, housing, insurance, travel, and emergency funds, and set savings milestones. Arrange housing or homestay and communicate arrival plans with your host or school. Pack essentials like documents, medication, and seasonal clothing. Finally, learn local customs, emergency numbers, and basic phrases to ease your first days abroad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.